This is not a drill. This is the third stream of the day. My third stream of the day. Crazy. So, looks pretty promising, not gonna lie. We'll see. See if this is the start of the reversal. Some morning buy side. This 5 minutes not closing above. Starting to have a 1 minute inversion. It's not even a bad idea. You see the 30-second? No, I'm gonna wait until like a low is taken with a displacement, or if the hard part here is really that there's not many inversions to go off of here on the higher time frame. So we'll see. See if we get follow through on the downside. Or the upside. Oh, chat, are you bullish, bearish, or neutral? I'm fine, I'm doing great. Someone asked how I'm doing today. I'm doing great. Looking for more. I'm looking to see, like, is this the buy side, and that's it. We just had the 2 p.m. open. That's the next 4-hour candle. It's kind of difficult when you have a large wick to the upside, but, you know, this does not look like a promising 4-hour candle. You know? No, but it can retrace deeper into it, so let's see the stat map. What'd you guys vote? Mostly bearish. Crazy day. So much range and then back and forth, so. Let's change this to like more recent stuff. So like the last 15. Is that gonna change it? Yeah. I don't even love that much. I know there's so much sell side now here. Let's try to open this. Cheers. See more follow through to the downside, yeah? That'll be good if we get it. Why not orange? Shit, where does it go? Thank you. Thank you. I was wearing these earlier, it's just I went for a walk, so. Let's see. We got it. Promising. Looks promising right now, honestly. Okay. This is looking pretty promising. Let's see. All right. I'm in. Giant shorts. Will this be epic? Or will it be crazy? We'll see. See, if I'm right on the drawn liquidity, then we're good. If I'm not right, then I'm done for the day. Just make sure my stop's correct. It should be good. Yeah, 86. Yeah. On micros, I put whatever it is. I think there's more to go. The thing is, we are in a tricky situation here with this 15-minute FEG here. If I'm right, though, I can still get like a 2-3R to here. We'll see. But I want even lower than that. But like, main theme of today for me has been like, you're not gonna get your full target, right? So let's see. This was 2 hourly, looks like that. Yeah, we'll see if this is the start of the. So far, we did have the inversion, and that made a higher, lower high. And that took out this low with a displacement. I shorted. There's a tiny bit of drawdown, mostly break even at the moment. Well, we'll see if that works out. If this doesn't work out, then yeah, I just chill out for the day because it's more likely then that it's gonna back and forth chop. Coming close, coming close. But that's like the name of the game today. ISI got swept. Market structure shift, I short. I think that we could go lower, but like I said, I better take my first target here or some shit here. At least here. What's ES doing? Yeah, similar. It's looking good. Let's see a drop, yeah. I mean, I really want more, even lower. Like, I've been looking for lower. We can't. I will literally hold the runner. I will, but like, I will take it off internally here. I suppose. We'll see. Dropping. See if it ends up continuing to drop. It's definitely not the, that's pretty good actually. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah, I like it. 15 looks good. Look at that little FEG, 1 minute, it's holding up, and this is now order block, so it should go lower now. Hit the like button. This is my 3rd stream today. I better finish drinking. I gotta stay hydrated here, bro. Better continue trying to drink some. No matter what happens, I'm happy with this trade. This is all part of my plan. I didn't miss the trade. I got a good fill. Let's just look at the QQQ. Yeah. Very large retracement again. Nothing we haven't seen today. Sanity. Took out that little high there. Still respecting this one. We didn't take any more sell side. It's not like this is sell side in my humble opinion. We just swept this again. Insanity. This like back and forth action is insane. Might even happen at 350. We don't know. Margin selling or something. The last hour of the day as well. Let me mark out 3. It didn't get stopped out yet. Still holding. I like my stop actually, yeah. This includes the breaker. The swing high that took out the low. It is incredible though, like how it's not, we're not like having crazy displacement to the downside. Teeter-tottering. I wasn't even up 1 hour, so I'm fine with this. Even if it stops me out, we'll see. Well, I got stopped out there. Let's wait until 3 or 350 now to see what's the next move. I'm not going to be a hero now. Now, honestly, we come back up into here, we'll see this 5-minute. How this ends up going on the 5. I'm still, still not bullish at the moment, so let's see. CES. ES didn't take out that high. Interesting. Not yet, at least. Now I wouldn't re-enter again unless it's like, let's see, on a larger time frame. We'll see. I don't want to get chopped up. That's what this is looking like to me. It's Chop City. Oh well. It was looking pretty decent there. Made a new, it did make a new low. Yeah, and then quickly just came back up. See, let's go back to analysis. ES didn't take out this high yet. NQ did. NQ, it's still not, it's not convincing me to go long, that we're going higher. It's in this 5-minute. So I'd rather wait now for like a 5-minute break in structure. Four-hour move back up. This looks ugly 4-hour. Beginning of the 2 p.m. candle did take out some buy side, so I would try that again. If we get another short, I'll try it, but right now there's nothing. Kind of interesting. ES was making like these equal highs here. $52.75. Yeah. Forgot which one was the weaker one. ES, right, today? I can't remember right now. They're pretty similar. Right now, ES didn't take out this high. I'm basically, this is the big start of the 4-hour. If we get another structure shift to the downside, then I'll try it. Other than that, I'm not gonna try another short. So we have a wick on the 4-hour. I don't know where within the wick we'll retrace to. ES is taking that high out now, so that's not even, an SMT or anything at the moment. So in actuality, could go higher if we start seeing more displacements to the upside. So I'm not going to be married to a bias here. I just have to see. Wait and see. We got time. Time is on our side. I did say, what's insane is that, you know, I said here, I think I got stopped out and break even. I was like, all right, you guys, I think that we're going to just chop up and kill options, premiums. We have been chopping. So. Still wicked. Yeah. 50%. We still have this, and we have this massive wick, you know. I personally can't see myself going long here. This is to me sell side. You know, unless we reprice to here and then have an obvious push back up. I don't know. I don't want to. It's a hard structure, so let's see. Maybe 3 p.m. starts something. So at 2:24 right now, right? Mm-mm-mm. 3 minute. I mean, I need this to break. I'm not going to just take an inversion here. I would need this to break, yeah. And I just go like this for 1 hour. I mean, this is the first target, like I said, but what's the bid blank here now? Yeah, this is 50%. Yeah. Let's see. I don't want to get chopped up like I keep saying, and so I tried the first like 1 minute. I got stopped, which is fine because I could do another manipulation, whatever. I want to make sure that this is the right move then, so I'm waiting like for confirmation. I'm gonna take a sip of water. Looks pretty good, the 3-minute inverted. Could potentially make like a 3-minute unicorn, we'll see. Looking good. This is difficult. How much can I risk there? Okay. Is it 2-minute here? Alright, I'm trying that. Crazy, but like I feel like this might just work. We'll see. Okay, perfect. Okay. My OCO order was like weird, so let me just check that real quick. Okay. Alright, now I'm finally in. Just make sure all my accounts are good. Oh, okay, shit, okay, oh my god, okay, that was scary. Okay. Ew. Alright, well, I am in the short right now, but that was scary. Oh my god, woo! Alright, because I almost, oh my god. Alright, I'm good. I almost like took NQ instead of MNQ. Holy crap, and that in this environment, it's crazy. Alright. Alright, my stop is here. Yeah. We get back above my stop, that means that we're just really are consolidating, so. Yeah. That was insane. Alright. Well, there's not really much going on right now. We came back into the FEG. We rejected a little bit. I want to see us more like quick moves now, honestly. I don't want more stalling, honestly. If I'm correct on this. Okay, that was scary. That was crazy. Okay. So what happened, right? The 3-minute did invert this, take this out, and I saw the 2 minutes like break. I have my stop above the breaker essentially. That's what I did. This is the FEGM breaker. And this, my stop's above this FEG too. So if it comes back and stops me out, then we're just consolidating and I don't care. But I want us to distribute cleanly. Like I want a quick distribution through these lows, and lower. Based on the 4-hour and the 1-hour. If this doesn't work, then I'm leaving. Because I tried shorts today. Only shorting. Worked out. But I keep trying to take for more downside, and then if it doesn't, then I'm just I'm wrong. So it could retrace like to here. I'd be fine with that. I just want the first fill because I have a feeling that we could just quickly go lower. I don't know. And I want to be in the first potential area. So 27. My fill is actually kind of shitty because I did do market. It's fine, even with this. Decent RR, and to here it's 1.4, to here it's 3.5. And I actually have more downside targets, but I'll just let my other positions take care of that. I have like some open option positions. If I'm right in this, I could still be wrong. So we'll see. 3 p.m. Right now it's 2:30. 5. Yeah, I like my stop out. 65-ish. Yeah. This high. We do that if we literally go all the way here and then continue higher. Like I'm just gonna call it because then I'm wrong with the overall direction and I'm stuck in consolidation. So far, I'm in drawdown. It retraced to 50%. So now this is if, I were patient and wanted the good fill, then I'd be getting filled here. So let's see if this ends up being a blockade or not. I still think the short's decent. Yeah, short idea is still valid. We wicked, we displaced. I like my stop. Come back up, then I'm gonna have to close my programs. Again, this is the little sensitive area. We'll see if it holds up, rejects from here. It's did retrace 50%. Yeah, my stop's here. I'm happy with that because that's the breaker high here on the 2 and the 3 and the FEG. So I'm happy. And I'm chilling. I understand I'm in drawdown because I just wanted the first potential short. So I shorted in a discount relatively. But if it works, you know, the RR works out in my favor. So we'll see. If I get stopped out, like I said, I'm going to walk away. So far, I'm decent. It's decent. It's not bad. The 3 minute. This. Yeah, so I have it like literally like 3 points above that or something. I don't know. Yeah. I like that. This retracement's crazy. Ideally, I start distributing at 3. If I'm right? This is like moment of truth here. Will this hold up? I like it. The 5 minute swing was taken with a displacement. Yeah, I still like it. Let's drink some water. There we go. Let's see if that's the swing high. Ideally, that's the swing high. New intermediate term high because it completely filled in this imbalance. Right? This FEG completely filled that in. Yeah, we broke this low. Hopefully we're making a potential lower high there. If not, if it gets bought up here, then, you know, then I'm wrong, I get stopped, but otherwise, we'll see. It's getting bought up and pushing back up again. Don't love that. So I'm potentially wrong here. It's not stopped out, but it's likely to get stopped out. We'll see. My stop is here, basically. I did not get stopped out yet. Interesting. Not yet. Not yet. But likely. It would be crazy, yeah. It would be crazy if that was the high and I didn't get stopped and now we drop. Do you guys see this volume imbalance? We'll see. It's not comfortable holding this, but gotta see it through. Gotta see it through, my guy. Let's go back lower, yeah. Let's see if this inverts. Then we should really drop. Let's see. Crazy, yeah, we filled in this little 3 minute volume imbalance. That's where we paused for now. That's potentially We'll see. This is potential intermediate term high now. Yeah. And right now it's 243. Yeah, I don't want it to retrace anymore, basically. We'll see. It's not inverting this yet. Cool. Likely, I don't know what it's going to do now. Still following bearish order flow, made a lower high. I'd like it to continue now to invert this and then show more downside, yeah. We'll see. It does feel like I'm like getting stuck in chop. See this 3? Yeah, I'd like it to displace. If we just wick this and come back up, I'm likely gonna get stopped out. We'll see. I like this. I would like this 5 minute to close lower, yeah. So we'll see if I'm right. Now or never, really. I could put my stop a little bit lower to here, honestly. It's not really gonna make much of a difference there with like 8-point difference. So let's see who will win. But we are pretty much back and forth right now. But let's see if this is gonna hold up to go downside. Let's see if we invert this. Close below this would be good. Would be good. All right, I'm moving my stop to that little high there. No, it's like a crazy. How does my screen look like? Crazy, yeah. Okay. Let's see if we invert. It'll be great if we do. And I have a feeling like a lot of my friends who try inversions would be trying this. So, well, we're back in profit / break even because I had the worst fill on earth, right? But like I said, even with that bad fill, like where I want it to go, it's definitely worth the RR. And also, this is the first target. Yeah, we do this. Ideally, we displace and do well here. Ideally, we just continue dropping like it's hot, Shouldn't retrace anymore. I'm like start expanding lower would be good, or else it's consolidating. So I have a feeling that I know some people that would probably be shorting this. We'll see. I wonder if they will. I'll check it out later. My friends take that short. Because this stood close here below this inversion. But yes. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really look great. It doesn't. So let's see if we at minimum get to here or I get stopped. The moment of truth. Yeah. This is a 5 minute. Yeah, completely filled up. I don't think we should get back up there. If I think the hourly is going in my favor. The hourly's took out the previous hourly high. Yeah. We retrace on the 15. I'd like to see us go lower. Again, coming back into this volume imbalance. I mean, this was. I remember when this happened. I said, "Did you guys see that? Like, it was a pretty quick blip there, was it not?" So we repriced to that. I don't know. That should hold it up, hold it down. All right, let's start seeing displacements down. Come on. Chop, chop. It's time. It's 2:48. I want to see is like literally I want this to take taken too, but I don't know if that's asking for too much. You know, minimum is this. Or 39. Bruh. The way that it's just taking its time is insane to me. It's not like ES is like taking it out either. Stuck in some consolidation conditions, and I have a bad fill, so it's not fun, but I honestly think according to like the hourly, that's why I'm fine with where I took my fill, right? So I have to see it through. Let's see if this next hourly candle should go lower. In the 4 hour, right? I'm anticipating 4 hour to really go lower, so I even have this marked out. Or even my earlier target's like 7,600, but I don't know. Today's we have CPI on Thursday, so I'm not gonna be. I already did try. What's the point of holding runners is in case it gets there, but that's why you protect your upside. So anyway, it's still looking promising. Just kind of shitty promising. Let's see. Inversion, this. Let's actually see some displacements, yeah? Let's take this low out again. Is that too much to ask? It's crazy. But I said, let's see, maybe it starts at 3. 3 p.m. Power hour, sour hour. Vote in the chat. Most of you guys are also bearish, I think, from where the vote was. So let's see. Sheesh. We're doing good. We're doing good. Back in profit. Let's actually dump. I'm tired of holding through retracements. It's so tiring. Finally in profit. Yeah, so if I were like actually patient today and taking the 50% retrace, then that would be like 1R, but of course not. This is my first target anyway. I'm gonna hold. I don't see any other potential PDREs there that would be alarming to me. So, and I'm bearish. So just gonna hold that. That was kind of crazy. I did not get stopped out there. Like how close it came to my stop. The high is 59. 58. Came like 8 points. And in today's market, 8 points is like 1 point back in the day. Anyway, we're following bearish structure. We took out the high, we're made a low, lower low, lower high, lower low, like, you know, repriced. What's ES doing? also following it. Ideally, see more follow through soon. Of course, after it hits my first target, I'm putting stop break even. I'm not going to be. Well, actually, it depends what time. If it depends, because like the hourly open. Depends what I'll do. Depends. Let's see 15-minute candle like close below the previous, yeah? Come on, dude. 6 minutes left in that 15-minute candle. Oh, I'm happy I put my stop the correct in a decent area. I don't know. I didn't choke it, so that's good. So, what was it? I remember saying people that trade inversions, yeah, they'd be getting in there. They're like probably putting their stop break even or whatever they're doing. Yeah. Let's see it melt down to there. It's mad stressful nowadays. But it's looking good. It is definitely looking decent. I'm gonna take some water. I'm dehydrated, bro. What's up, chat? You guys, we've been through a lot together. We've been through those crazy retracements that almost stopped me out. They don't. And then we've been through the dumps. The dumps, let's see, we're up 100 points. Crazy. Hit the like button. Most people are bearish, so. Yeah, it's decent. I mean, it made sense. I would have tried that one again. I got stopped out there and then I retried the short. Let's see if it starts delivering to targets. And yeah, I want to see the reaction to this target, kind of. I have this sell side I have so much sell side I've been eyeing. I was like, this fake ass. Who was here like a couple hours ago? I was like, and I was in shorts I don't even remember here. Yeah. Shorted from there, and I was like, okay, if I get stopped at break even, we're probably going to chop up, kill people's options, premiums. I had this buy side marked out. I said I wouldn't go long unless we like closed above 50% or even above this and displaced above on the 5. We had that wick. You know, I tried a little early here and based on a 1 minute got stopped, and I did it based on a 2 and a 3 and the 5 because it took out like a 5-minute swing low here. At this point, this didn't, right? This one did. So let's keep an eye on this. Pay attention, Tanya. I'm trying to pay attention. It looks fine. 3 p.m. It could be the make or break it time, I think. You know, 3 p.m. I think, well, personally, I am bearish. So we'll see how it reacts in this area here. Yeah, I mean, I don't really care so much for this order block. It's not like it took out liquidity, really. This one didn't displace above it, so I just have this 15-minute FEG. Like, you can potentially, bid in that get bought up and then retrace, which would be annoying. But I'm looking for like a dump through it, honestly. Dump through this. We'll see. I can definitely move my stop lower. I'm just trying to figure out where. It's difficult. Vibe. This should just continue running here. Trading's hard. I think, yeah, 796 probably. I'm just looking at this. Has got inverted on the 2, closed, repriced. All the way up here though. So never mind. Repriced all the way up there. Insane ass retracement. Where's my stop again? 685. Yeah, that's all right. That's 3 p.m., right? So that could be the manipulation at the start of the hourly candle to the upside. And that's all I want it to be, honestly. It's insane. Yeah, okay. I like my stop. All right, let's see continuation now down, yeah. I do not want to hold further. Do not. I hate this. I'm not loving this. Anyway, this is my first target. We'll see if we get there. Yeah, I'm actually okay with having my stop there. 85, yeah, 82 at this high. This is also like midpoint of that. Repriced this already and then dropped. And then this is also this high. Yeah, so it's like a bunch of PDRs would fail if that doesn't work out. So let's mark out this 1 minute now to see if this becomes an inversion. We did retrace 50% of this. Yeah, and we completely rebalanced this. So if we do end up going lower again, then I move my stop to that high. That's really nice because it's like a 3 p.m. high. I think that we should start dumping now. I do. So we'll see. See if this inverts. Let's see. Let's see. It's now or never. Kind of. It's decent on the 3, retracing to this order block, yeah. It's insane. Like, it's an insane. But honestly, I'm looking for a large range trade, so. We're in an insane market. Dude, you guys know I start like talking to myself. Yeah, there you go. Move the stop. Converting this. We should see continuation dump. Let's see it. I'm moving my stop up to this. Completely rebalanced 2 minute, 3 minute. Yeah. She didn't come back up again. She continued lower now. Especially this 4 hours, like forming. Yeah. So my stop is like just 30 points now, so that's cool. What would happen if I did? No, we're not adding. Yeah, we could add. No. But as soon as it gets to this, I'm putting stop break even and whatever else it is. Now it's retesting this 1 minute inversion. I expect it to hold it lower. We'll see. It's looking good. It's holding it lower. See if it dumps now. It's 304. If we don't dump, then I'm cooked. I'm just joking. I'm not cooked. But it's looking good. It's looking pretty good. Let's see here. ES. Like it's even, I'm even debating to add like just one contract, but I don't have enough. I could though. Yeah, we didn't even take sell side yet. I think it's good practice for me to sell one more. Okay, I added just one more now. So let's see if this holds up. You know, I'd probably take profit if we hit a new low here on that one. That's like a scalp within a trade. Or we'll see. We'll see how it goes here. But I would probably take profit here on that one. So what is that? Like that's good practice for me to be adding to positions. Okay, short there would be that like that. Even with that, that's a pretty good, yeah. And, you know, that still, because my earlier fill is decent, it's actually still bad fill, never mind. But point is, I'm not risking that much on this kind of trade. It's my 601. My fill is 601 on all of this. And my stop isn't that bad at all. So I can afford, you know, a different, more sizing now. Yeah, that's what I like. So let's see. It's enough dilly-dallying here. Let's dump it, bro. Thank you. Let's see if NQ is listening to me. Okay, let's see. What is it? 439 is that target? Have to be super careful here. That was my first target. Take a deep breath. All right, we're taking that low. Yes, what are you doing? I swear, if you just start to reverse here, I'm gonna like literally be insane. Okay, we're not. We're dumping more. Okay. Trading's mad stressful. Mm-mm-mm. $307. 307. And that is mad annoying. So let me hold it. I'm holding. I simply think that the 3 p.m. candle should be a down close. Like, we took out previous. Let's go lower, yeah? Like, I'm tired of you. Yeah, so we took it. So let's go lower from here. I don't want us to be pausing, wicking nonsense. Excuse me, I need to drink more water. This is so annoying. I've never been more, like, annoyed, honestly, at how slow we're going. Even though it's decent. It's a decent trade. I don't know, I'm a perfectionist, I guess. I'm a perfectionist. Okay, did we have a displacement somewhere here? Yeah, we refilled it and we did it again. So honestly, I could put stop break even at this point. We're breaking the slow again. Stops break even. Honestly, it's this high. It should be the stop because we refilled that inversion perfectly. So it's going good, you guys. It's going good. Okay, first target about to hit. We'll see. Did it not fill me there? Bro. That's insane. That's wild. Oh, NQ, MNQ. It'd be kind of funny if now I got stopped in profit. But I still think that we should go lower. So let's just monitor things, right? Previous 4-hour candle. Dude, I'm taking that out because it didn't get filled. So as soon as it takes that again, then I'll do it manually because it's stupid. I'll do it manually. Because I think once we go through it again now, I think I'm gonna go through it. We'll see. It's the beginning of the 3-hour, the 3 p.m. candle. That was the manipulation. Held through that nicely. Dropped. We'll see. Dude, I'm actually kind of insane, I feel like, to be trading this. I feel a little bit like a superhero sometimes. This is just like so much volatility. Okay. Yeah, my stops now this high. 7-1. Yeah, 7-7, whatever. 7-2. Yeah. And NQ. They got to my first target, but like straight up bingo. They're trying to chill out. You'll be able to take it off now soon. What's ES doing? Is ES at its target? Not yet. First target ES here. It's likely gonna. You know what? It would drive me crazy if it does that though. If it's the first target that manipulates me out, like that would actually drive me a little crazy. But anyway, let's continue monitoring this. This is decent. There's a little volume imbalance here and an order block. And previous hourly candle low, we broke through it now. So just like lower. It's not like the 1 minute's so clean on the FEG wise, but 30-second is. So I'm just gonna chill. Stops in profit again. Again, the same thing happened to me today. I can't believe that it didn't fill me here, by the way. That's fine. Watch the same thing happen to me. I get stopped in profit. before it gets to my last targets, like, that would drive me crazy. I don't think so. I think that, 3 p.m. should continue distributing. That's why I'm still holding this. But we'll see. Better take a freaking sip of water again. I really have to be watching these lows in here, I guess. Anyway, it's good practice to be adding to my position. Which I did, which is good. Let's see here if I'll be able to take some profit off the table there soon. It's 3:15. I think I should. I really don't think that. I think that this should hold up. Hold price lower. We should dump. I want to see a dump. Bum bum. How did I not get filled there? I would love to know. It's insane. I guess on MNQ. I put it like 39 or something. But anyway, as it goes through this, I will take off that, like, the thing I added earlier. All right. So I just took off that partial there. Still holding the rest of my position. Like I said, I don't want to hold it. If we, I've been trying to get more short since the morning too. So I don't think it's out of the question. Take out all the sell side. And even go lower here. Go to 16,700. Anyway, my first target was hit, so that's cool. Now I'm gonna focus on trailing. My first target was hit here, then it retraced there, then we okay. Let's focus. It's all about me figuring out where is, like, the next stop I can put in, Like, okay, if it hits the 15, I don't want a market structure shift on the 1, really. Where do 3 PD arrays fail, right? It's like 1, 2, swing high, hard. Again, like, this could be like where I get stopped in profit, which that's been happening, Let's see here. I did not get stopped I did not get stopped out yet. We're retracing, but it's looking all right. It really depends. Really depends on how this goes. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully that's the next intermediate term high. Let me see. Will I get stopped in profit? Probably. We'll see. This is like the theme. In the theme. In the theme. Weird that I didn't get stopped at. Okay, there it is. Stopped in profit. Whatever. I'm done. I'm done then. We're just going back and forth. It was decent enough. Made a little bit of money there, and extra in the afternoon, not a ton because, you know, didn't go to all my targets, but so annoying. Why do we have to have another freaking, we had this retracement, why do you have such another deep retracement? NQ, now it's in this 15-minute and it could do whatever it wants. So I'm happy to, yeah, be done here. We'll see tomorrow what's up. So yeah, good luck if you're trading. It's not an easy day. You know, I was streaming on Ninja Trader today, a decent day, but still kind of like the theme of the day I've been saying. It gets to my first target, it's not my second. And that's it. Good luck and good trading. We'll see you back here tomorrow at 9:15. Ciao.